I'm very proud that 3 of PharmaMar values are related to ethics and compliance, as are commitment, vigor, and respect. Our department orbits around these 3 values because at PharmaMar we firmly believe that to achieve our mission as a company, to improve the healthcare outcomes of patients afflicted by serious diseases with our innovative medicines, we must do it with the utmost rigor, commitment, and respect. Regarding the rigor, the foundations of our compliance program are the Code of Ethics, which sets the principles and values that guide the conduct of all the people who are part of PharmaMar. It sets the guidelines on how to act not only internally with third parties with whom we interact, paying special attention to aspects such as confidentiality, data protection, conflicts of interest, reputational respect, intellectual and industrial property rights, respect for applicable laws, regulations, and codes, and respect between people. Also framed within the principle of rigor, PharmaMar has an anti-bribery and an anti-corruption policy, which establishes zero tolerance with any practice that can be classified as corruption or bribery, transferring the importance that business integrity has for us. We ensure that drug promotion is developed under the strictest ethical principle of responsibility, providing rigorous and truthful information of our products. In relation to the value commitment, the principle of transparency, we disclose all transfer of value made to healthcare professionals, healthcare organizations, and patient organizations. It is our way of generating trust and valuing the educational contribution to the scientific community of the pharmaceutical sector, which ultimately benefits patients. Within the commitment value, we implemented a criminal prevention model. This model reinforces control mechanisms and articulate tools to avoid the commission of actions that may entail a risk of inappropriate behavior. Among these tools, and related to respect, the whistleblower channel, through which employees can report any behavior that believe may be unethical. We also have a protocol for potential workplace harassment to prevent, and should it occur, to take the relevant actions to deal with the problem and prevent it from recurring. And to the million-dollar question about what PharmaMar compliance department does, in 3 lines, we generate policies and procedures that establish standards, we provide information training and awareness on these standards, and finally, we carry out control and supervision tasks to ensure that they are fulfilled, thus generating a virtuous circle. But always going hand in hand with business and advising them in everything they need. I'm not a football fan at all, but in the compliance department of PharmaMar, we love to make the Liverpool chant, "You'll never walk alone," ours. If you ask me, and I say it with absolute passion, in reality, these aren't guidelines that were forced on us. This is who we are. This is PharmaMar.